Hey there, amazing content creators and entrepreneurs. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into a topic that can truly transform your online presence and boost your business revenue. It's all about the power of email marketing. I am Dan the Goal Getter, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey to build a profitable audience online. So, if you're ready to take your marketing game to the next level, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button, because you would not want to miss any of our valuable insights we are about to share. Alright, let's start by unpacking the magic behind email marketing. Imagine having a direct line to communicate with your audience, people who are genuinely interested in your content and product. That's exactly what email marketing offers. Emails allow you to reach your audience right in their inbox, which is more personal and focused space compared to crowded social media feeds. Now, let's talk about the first step, building your email list. This is your treasure trove of potential customers and engaged followers. Start by creating a compelling lead magnets like ebooks, webinars, or exclusive content that provide value to your audience in exchange of their email address. With the list in place, it's time to craft emails that captivate your subscribers. Remember, it's not just about selling, it's about building a relationship. Write engaging subject lines that spark curiosity and create content that resonates with your audience needs and interests. Segmentation and personalization are the secret ingredients into email marketing success. By dividing your list into smaller groups based on interest, demographics, or buyer behavior, you can send tailored content that speaks directly to their preferences. This increases engagement and conversion rates. As you nurture your read through well-tailored emails, you'll be setting a stage for conversions. Share success stories, offer exclusive discounts, and provide valuable insight to gently guide your subscribers towards making a purchase or take desired action. Remember, it's essential to track your email campaign performance. Use analytics to measure your open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. This data helps you understand what's working and what needs improvement, allowing you to reference your strategy and achieve even better results. And there you have it, the power of email marketing unveiled. By building a strong email list, crafting engaging content, and continuously refining your strategy, you can create a thriving online audience that's eager to engage with your brand. So, don't wait. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your online presence and profitability grow. Thank you so much for joining us today on this journey to uncover the incredible potential of email marketing. If you find this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming content. If you have any question or want to share your email marketing success stories, drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, keep creating, keep marketing, and keep rocking your online business.